It's a combination of hands-on crafts and hands-on activities, as well as, circles and deeper questionings. And we begin each day with grounding and movement and just an opportunity to tune into the earth and to tune into ourselves, which in most of our lives, we're so busy, we just don't really even allow ourselves the space to ask the question of how am I doing? The weekend is really an opportunity to disconnect from all of the things that burden us and trouble us and worry us and keep us just plugged into the fast-paced world that we live in. So it's an opportunity to just unplug from all of that and to get clear about who we are and what we want. I really believe in the power of integration too, and so after the retreat we always have a post-integration call where we can reconnect with each other. And usually all of the women want to stay connected, and there's lifelong friendships that are formed. So it's really just an invaluable experience. I would invite any woman that is feeling the call to just know herself better, or feel a sense of connection to community, or feel a sense of connection to the earth, to trust that and to say yes. And I don't think you'll regret it.